Okay, and that's basically it for type. All right. Yeah, this is for me. All right. To create an ND array, we can pass a list, tuple, or any array-like object into the array method, array parentheses method, and it will be converted into an ND array. Okay. So to create an ND array, you're going to create an ND array, create. We can pass a list, press enter or run, press enter or run, press enter or run, tuple, or array-like object. Tuple is anything in parentheses, or parentheses container is a tuple. Anything in parentheses container is a tuple. Anything parentheses container is a tuple. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tuple. Parentheses array tuple. Parentheses type parentheses array tuple. Anything in between parentheses tuple. Tuple. Oh, and the parentheses itself counts. Tuple. You see? Parentheses opening, parentheses closing, parentheses opening, parentheses closing. It's a parentheses inside of parentheses, parentheses inside of parentheses, parentheses inside of parentheses. And remember, start and 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 start and. Okay, and that's just like a nice long explanation. It will be converted into an ND array. Hold up. Alright, so what this basically means is, if you want to make an array, just write this line of code, write this line of code, write this line of code, and then hit run. And then it's going to make this go from parentheses, 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 and it's going to convert it to bracket, bracket, bracket. And parentheses is like regular tuple, parentheses, regular tuple, parentheses, regular tuple. Bracket is an array, bracket is an array, bracket is an array. Okay, and then print array, and this just prints the results. So remember, calculations, 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 and results, 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 results. Damn. And dimensions in arrays. Dimensions in arrays, dimensions in arrays. A dimension in arrays is one level of array depth. Nested arrays. Alright, and just memorize array depth, array depth, array depth also means nested arrays, nested arrays, nested arrays. Nested arrays are arrays that have arrays as their elements. So I guess, hold on. We'll just wait till we go further so we can explain that better. 0D arrays, 0D arrays, 0D arrays, 0-dimension arrays, 0-dimension arrays, 0-dimension arrays. 0D arrays, or scalars, vocab, are the elements in an array. Each value is an array. Each value in an array is a 0D array. Create a 0D array with value 42. Import numpy as np. Array is going to be np.array42. Print parentheses array. Okay? And 0D basically means in parentheses there's no brackets, so it's 0 dimensions. Parentheses, no brackets, 0 dimensions, parentheses, no brackets, 0 dimensions. And the value is 42. The value is 42. So value is 42. 0D, no bracket, no bracket, no bracket. Value 42, 42 inside. Value 42, 42 inside. Value 42, 42 inside. And bam. And you see, no brackets. No brackets. No brackets. No brackets. Array parentheses 42, no brackets. Array parentheses 42, no brackets. Array parentheses 42, no brackets. Okay. 1-dimension arrays. 1-dimension arrays. 1-dimension arrays. An array that has 0D arrays as its element is called unidimensional or 1D array. Pause. Okay. I don't remember if I said this. Alright, an array that has 0D arrays as its element is called unidimensional or 1D array. Okay. So, has 0D arrays as its elements. Every number here is an element. Every number is an element. Every number is an element. And 0D arrays is a number. 0D arrays is a number. 0D arrays is a number. And 0D arrays, numbers, numbers, numbers. 0D arrays, numbers, numbers, numbers. Alright. So, everything that has 0D arrays, these numbers, everything that has numbers as its elements. So element, 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 element. Element 1, element 2, element 3, element 4, element 5. Elements, element 1, element 2, element 3, element 4, element 5. Oops. Element 0, element 1, element 2, element 3, element 4. Elements start at 0. Elements